Hello and welcome back to Civil Field Trainers. My name is Shadab. Today we'll be solving a doubt of our student. So this is the project that he has been working on, and as we can see, everything is overstressed in columns, right? Some of the columns are safe, but majority of them are overstressed. Not only that, if you just zoom in onto any beam, you can see the kind of values that you're getting. 8,803. That is the demand that is there for the steel. So it's a very high value, right? So we have to solve this given problem. Okay, so I gave him instructions. So we went back around 17 to 18 emails back and forth. But every time what happened, the issue became bigger and bigger. So I just decided to make a video uh, to help him get through this problem. Okay, so we know that all the columns are filling and beams also are filling because with overstress and the values are very high. So when the values are very high, the first thing that we have to check for is the kind of loads that you have applied. Okay, so I'll just go to define and I'll go for load patterns to see if he has applied any earthquake loads. So the answer is no, there is no earthquake loads. There are no sulfate multipliers of 5 or 10 over here. So there is no issue over here as such. All right. So the next step would be after this, I have to go for load combinations. So he has just gone for gravity load, right? Factored and unfactored. Two of them he has gone. So I will check this to see if there is any problem here. So sometimes what happens, you make it 15 instead of 1.5. Okay, it's a typo, but the values will skyrocket over here. All right. So we'll check both of them to see everything is fine. So everything is fine over here as well. So what is the issue then? Why is the entire project overstressed to this extent? Okay. So to answer this query, actually I've given the solution already, right? And so I'll just tell you the thing exactly what happened here. So we just make the project go normal first. Okay. We just remove everything. All right. So after doing this, the third step generally would be to check for loads. So what would you do? You would just change the angle, or if you can just go to any plan level. Okay, and you will come over here and you will check for what you can see that there is a problem with the column size also. We'll get to it later. uh, Check over here. Okay, so you come over here, check if he has applied in dead loads. Okay, live loads he has applied, so you can see the live loads. Again, loads are not applied properly. You go for floor fan ceiling plaster, you can see floor fan ceiling plaster load is there. So you have to check for each and everything. So whenever a load is not applied, right, this will become inactive. You will not be able to touch it. Okay, so let me make it bigger, 3D again, and let me make it normal. Okay, so we check for what? We check for slab loads. We know that there is an issue with slab loads. Now we'll come for the wall loads. So when I come for the wall loads, basically I have to check for the beam. So you can see in dead, I can see the loads. Generally, what do we do? I'll take you back to the load patterns. Wall loads will come under only wall loads. Okay, whatever loads you're applying on beam will come only under the wall loads. That's the way I teach you, right? So there is no way that dead load can come on wall loads. Okay, so let me just go back over here to this option, display frame load assign, and let me apply the wall load first. Okay, I'll apply the wall load first, and you can see the loads look normal. Okay, so we have got 4.4, 10.56 and everything. So these are normal loads based on the kind of density of brick they have taken. You will get this kind of loads. No, there is no issue as such in this. But the moment I go for dead, this should be inactive. But here it is active. So there is some load that has applied over here. Okay, not only that, you come towards your live load and you can see has applied live load also. Okay, and not small amount, the 1020. So he has made a typo over here. Instead of being 10.20, it is 1020, and he has applied in a live load condition. Okay, which is actually not right. So you come over here for the floor fin ceiling plaster. See, even in this there is a load. So the issue right here, right now, was with the load application. That is why the loads were so high. It was not with the load patterns or the load combinations. It was with the load application. So instead of removing everything, I'll just show you one how to remove the load if you have applied it wrongly. So let me take you to the option of live. Okay, so live load is applied everywhere. You can see here it is applied everywhere. So how do I delete this load completely so that I can start making the changes and taking my project in the right direction? All right. So before we do that, I'll just give a quick announcement about the course that we have launched. Okay, so it is Etabs Safe, AutoCAD and RCDC. Generally, students know that we have an offering of Etabs Safe and RCDC, right? So the course price is going to be what? 1,999. Okay, but you can apply the 500 off coupon code and get it for 1,499. So that way, Etabs Safe, RCDC, each will cost you about 500 rupees each. Okay, if you want to see the content, you can come inside and check the content over here. All right. Then we have one more offering of ours, that is basically our AutoCAD offering. Okay, this is one of a kind course in the entire market. No one is teaching this, because if you come and see here, I'll be teaching how to do your foundation drawing and everything by using Etabs and safe results. People generally say, okay, Etab is safe, and safe also getting everything under the limitations. They stop the training over there. They don't take it to the next step. Okay, so generally I was doing everything in RCDC before. Now I have created a separate training inside the AutoCAD itself, and this is a 1,000 rupees training of ours. All right. So if you want to get Etabs Safe RCDC and AutoCAD in one single combination, that is why we have a new combination over here. Etabs Safe, AutoCAD and RCDC. Again, you can open this one folder. Inside you will find all the line by line, everything has been mentioned. Okay, all the content has been mentioned like this. What will do in model 1, what will do in model 2. Everything has been mentioned over here. Again, 500 off coupon code is there, and if you see, the coupon code is not available forever. If you remove this coupon code, you can see here it is available for next 4 days. Okay, so if you apply the coupon code, it will be 2000. So each Etabs Safe, AutoCAD and RCDC will cost you 500. Okay, if some people don't want to do in AutoCAD, you can always go to Etabs Safe and RCDC for original offering. But if you're interested in learning it, how to do the detailing in AutoCAD, only in AutoCAD, we will not be using any RCDC over here. Purely it will be AutoCAD. So you can come check out the content, and we have added even a bonus here where we are teaching you how to get plans. There are 50 plus commands that we have covered in that. Again, this is a bonus, it will be in English. Okay, so you can check that out. I am explaining this because there has been a bit of a confusion between this offering, Etabs FRCDC, and this offering. If it continues after 2 weeks, I'll remove this offering altogether. Okay, I'll just keep the original Etabs FRCDC, and if anyone is interested in learning AutoCAD, they can pay 1,000 rupees and learn from there. All right, but if you come over here, each and every course will cost you 500. This is the least that I can do. There will be no more offer than this. It is always going to be like this. At least that's the plan for now. Now coming back to our project after the small announcement, what I have to do here now is I have to remove all these loads. So how do I do it? Because the load is there on each and every beam. I'll go for select. I have to first unlock my model. So I'll unlock my model. I'll go to select. I'll go to object types, and I'll select all the beams from here. Okay, all the beams I'll select. Then I'll go to assign. I'll go to frame loads, distributed. Okay, please follow the chain. Where am I going? First, where did I go? I went to select option, then select, then I went into object type. After coming here, I have come to my beams. I have selected all my beams. Once the beams are selected, I close that. I'll go to assign. I'm coming to frame loads now, and I'm going to distribute it. In this, what I'll be doing, I'll come over here. I'll come to the live load which is there. Delete existing load, apply. Okay. All right. Then what will I do? I'll select get previous selection. I'll do. I'll go to assign frame loads distributed. Whatever dead load was there, delete the existing dead load. Click on apply. Okay. Then you can go for select, get previous selection, and whatever extra load was applied in this, delete even that load. Okay. So just repeat this for all the steps except for the wall load. Okay. Once you go here, click on apply, click on OK. All the loads will be removed, and you can run the analysis. Let me just change the name to something like this. Okay, you can run the analysis again, and once the analysis has been done, you have to still change your slab loads and everything, but the majority of the failure that we are facing, that particular issue will be solved. Okay, so not all of them will be failing, but still there are issues with the assignment of slab loads and everything, but I have already covered that in a previous class. But this was the main crux of the issue. Okay, so I'll just wind up this class. We have one more project from this same student. I'll try to make another video on that will had a meshing issue. All right, so again, if anyone is interested to learn from us and get your doubts solved like this over an email, if email doesn't work, they wanted a video on YouTube, this is what we do. You can come and check it out. Etabs Safe RCDC. If you're not comfortable with RCDC and want AutoCAD access, go for AutoCAD separately. Or if you want everything in a single bundle, you can come over here, apply the coupon code. The price will drop to 2000, with each course costing you 500 at best. All right. So with that, I'll wind up this class. See you guys in the next class. Thank you.